Now you can see why it's called a monotonous lark. It literally never shuts up. You think it will stop, but it won't. The only time they keep quiet is when they fly. So hence why it's easy to identify these guys. It's funny when you talk about them normally, people don't believe you that they literally don't stop calling, but it really is true. They just keep going and going and going and going. They all call, Louise. They are designed to make noise, these things. They don't ever keep quiet at all. They just speak. Like I say, only when they fly do they shut up. But otherwise, it's let's make as much noise as we can. So in terms of IDing them, you don't really ever need to know any of their features because, well, you just listen for their call and it's the easiest way to identify them. Part of me just wants to sit here to see how long it really does go for.